Hi guys, I'm back with a different sort of video from what you're used to seeing from me today. I'm going to be doing a kitchen deep clean and declutter. I need to try and make some more space in this house, and I have held on to things I don't really need. So I decided to start off in the kitchen to make some space, because the next stage of our renovations we're going to have to move downstairs. I need to try and clear out as much room as possible for us to move down here. So starting off in the kitchen, I've got cupboards to clear out. I'm going to do a deep clean of the fridge, also the oven and the washing machine. So hopefully this will give you some inspiration and motivation to do some cleaning up yourself. So let's just get on with it and I'll show you what needs to get done. So I do have a recipe box to put away, so I'm going to start off in the fridge. It's not too full at the moment, but this all needs clearing out. There was a cucumber leak which I've partially cleaned up, but all of that needs cleaning. It's not very pleasant. So I'll start off in here. I will move on to the oven, which actually isn't that bad considering I've not cleaned it since I got it, which was a year ago. So I've got some oven pride to get on with that. My cupboards are going to get cleared out and sorted. The food cupboard isn't actually that bad because there's not too much in there. But I've got loads of glasses and cups that I don't use, and basically the top shelf is used for pretty much stuff that never gets touched. I've got lots of stuff in here that needs sorting out. This basket is basically just a dumping ground for loads of rubbish, so I'm going to clear that out and make sure that I use it for something else and just get all of this tidied up. This corner cupboard again is a dumping ground. It's got board games in there, all sorts of random stuff, so I can definitely clear some space in here. And the pantry has become a little bit of a dumping ground. I bought some new glasses which I need to make space for. I've got my old tea, coffee and sugar canisters that I want to get rid of. So all in here just needs organising, and also a really good deep clean too, because the walls get splashed with bits of stuff going in the dishwasher. The front of the dishwasher is absolutely minging. The recycling shelf is disgusting. It just needs a really good clean up, so let's get started. So when I do a deep clean of the fridge, I always pull all of the food out, throw away anything that's out of date, pull all the shelves out and give them a wash in the sink, and then dry them off with a glass cloth just so that it's nice and streak free before starting to give the actual shell of the fridge a really good clean out. I always use oven pride when cleaning the oven, and this was a lot easier this time because I do actually have one of those mats that you put in the bottom which catches any food that drops down, so that made this a lot easier this time round. I have been keeping on top of the glass on the door. I didn't take it out this time to clean behind it because it wasn't actually that bad and you do need a screwdriver to do it, but this is the mat that's at the bottom, so I'm just giving that a clean. I pulled the washer out to clean behind it, but I was also hoping to get out the lint filter. For some reason I couldn't. I'm going to contact Indesit customer services to find out whether it does actually remove in this model. And then I used some limescale remover to clean the inside of the door seal, so that is much better now and smelling much fresher. Then made a start clearing out the cupboards, so I wanted to give everything a wipe down, so I took everything out of the cupboards, put everything that I didn't want to keep or I was unsure about in a separate box, and then just gave everything a really good clean before putting everything back inside and getting organised. So with all the cupboards cleared out, I moved everything into the living room so that I could sort through it all. So I used a couple of boxes so that I could sort out what I wanted to keep, what I wanted to donate, what I wanted to give away, as I knew that there was a few things here that my mum would want, and I also had some stuff that I needed to store away in the shed. So I just got on with organising, and this was actually really therapeutic to store stuff away and just clear out some rubbish. I don't know why I've had all of this stuff for so long when half of it I didn't even use it. So there's lots of stuff here ready to go to charity, a box full of rubbish, a bag for my mum, some stuff that I need to store away and things that I do want to upcycle and keep, the last little bits that I need to organise. I use Astonish cookware and oven cleaner for the top of the cooker, which always gets off any burnt on bits, and I absolutely love it. I think it's really similar to the pink stuff paste, but I also use this to get rusty bits off my knives. So I usually just give them a rub over, rinse them off and dry them and put them back, and it's amazing what a difference this makes. This deep clean and declutter was well overdue, but I am actually so glad that I got stuck into this over the weekend. Everything looks so much better, it smells great, and it's really nice having organised and tidy cupboards for a change. Do still have stuff lying around that I need to take to the charity shop, but having this clean now and all organised has made me feel so much better, and it's given me the motivation to get started decluttering the rest of the house. So I hope that this gave you some motivation too, to do some decluttering at home and some deep cleaning. If you enjoyed the video, let me know down in the comments, because this isn't usually the sort of thing that I would do. But if you do like this sort of thing and you want to see more of it, let me know down below. So thanks very much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.